Hi, this is our first dance AB. AB is for absolute beginner. This is where I start my new students that have never danced before to get the fundamentals that will take us everywhere we need to go with these building blocks. So it's a 32 count 4-wall dance. We have 4 sections of 8 counts. That gives us our 32. We dance just to the front and back walls, no side walls. So it's a 2-wall dance. First section of 8 is a grapevine right and a grapevine left. So with the weight on the left, we're going to step to the right side, side, behind, side, touch, to the left, side, behind, side, touch. With counts, 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 2, walk 3 and kick, walk back 3 and touch. We finished with the weight on the left, so we're going to start walking with the right foot, left foot, right foot, kick. Now the left foot goes back, walking back, 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 and finishing with a touch. So with the counts on section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, touch 8. Section 3, V steps, V steps. So a V step is only 4 counts, so we're going to do 2 of them. We're going to step diagonal, diagonal, center, center. Again, diagonal, diagonal, back and center, center. So the counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight finishes on that left foot. Section 4 is our wall change. So we're going to walk 4 weight changing steps, 4 steps around in an arc to the right, directly behind you. So we're going to get the opposite wall, the back wall, walking 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and I'm going to finish with hip bumps, but I don't want to topple over, so I'm going to put this right foot out so I can bump to the right, the left, right, left. And as I'm ready to move to the right again, that's where our dance would start with a grapevine, okay? So counts on section 4. We finished our V step on the left foot. We're going to walk around 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, bump 5, 6, 7, 8, ready to vine. All right, whole thing together. Let's do a couple of walls. From the top, weights on the left, 5, 6, ready, go. Vine, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, walk 3 and kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, V step. 1, 2, 3, again, 5, 6, 7, walk around. 1, 2, 3 with the bumps for 5, 6, 7, vine. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, side, behind, walk 3 and kick. 1, 2, 3, kick, back, back, back. V step. 1, 2, 3, again, 5, 6, walk around. 1, 2, 3, hip bumps for 5, 6, ready to vine as we start again. That's it. You are ready to go. Try the next video with music.